What's good, Tesla team? So today we are up 4.9%, and so far everything is moving to perfection. After earnings and before earnings, we are saying that as long as Elon didn't come out, we knew the numbers were going to be bad, but as long as Elon didn't come out with a grim, dark outlook on the future, that, if he was very optimistic, talked, and didn't expect him to lay out the whole robotics thing in front of everybody, which we all knew, but to do it just, so simply in front of Wall Street, now they're finally noticing. And so we've gotten this big push. We were expecting the move this week to 170 or 180 by the middle of May, and we might even get 180 tomorrow. Like that, there's a chance that that might happen. And so the reason that we were looking at $180 level is because this was our old resistance level before that we ended up breaking through support, and we knew that this bounce here was going to get bought up very, very quickly because there was so little volume on the volume profile. So now that we're pushing back into this level, and if you guys are avid watchers of, the channel and the community, you know that this level here is a strong level of volume, which is going to act as a sticky area or a strong level of resistance. This is why we're expecting a rejection point sometime, around $175 to $180. I think in the short term, that is a very realistic level for us to reject off of, and even maybe come back down to test 160 in the next couple of weeks. I know that we're Tesla bulls here, and most of us are long-term investors and traders, but at the without coming back to retest some sort of zone. So at this point, even if we were to push our way back up into that $180 level and then potentially see, some sort of rejection back down to 160, this could create not only an inverted head and shoulders, but this would be a really good sign that this bottom is in and we can move our way back up to that 204 area. The key thing to watch here is really going to be these volume slices here on the right side of your screen, because what the volume profile is going to do is show you where the volume was, but in these thin areas, we're looking about 232 to 220. We're talking about this area from 161 down to 140, this small area from 176 all the way up into 212. These are the areas in which price is going to rocket either up or down very, very quickly. It's these thicker areas of volume in which price will usually stay stagnant. So this is why if we are actually able to push through 160 or 176 and 180, I think that if that rejection does not happen, there is a very good chance that we move back up into $208. And if you remember, our big upside target, like the target that we've been talking about for a while, is up at 220. And so I think we're talking the next 6 months, 210, 230 is our max upside. And from there, I think we will probably see this potential rejection, because that would be the top right here of this flag. So this trend level would end up acting as our potential resistance. And then from here, over the next, we're talking 12 to 24 months, this is where we would potentially test this, $298 to $300 level. But what I'm really looking for now is the move to 180, the next move up to 2, and then that further move maybe up to 220. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for all your support. Obviously, it really means the world to me. You guys can trade with us every day in our Discord community, or for free if you want over on X. We post all of our real-time updates and trades over there when it comes to all of my Tesla positions, as well as much more. So thank you guys for all the support. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.